Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your credentials with Khan Academy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Khan Academy website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the security section within the settings menu. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication. You can use an authenticator app or receive codes via SMS. Follow the prompts to set up your selected method. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, update your password regularly. Create a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information, such as birthdays or names. Check your security questions and answers to ensure they are up to date. If you enable email notifications, review your recent account activity regularly. Log out after using your account, especially on shared devices. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your credentials securely. Review your account settings periodically to maintain security. By following these steps, you'll enhance your online safety with Khan Academy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.